Good afternoon, folks. We're back out here at the Aumsville house. As you can see, we've totally redone quite a bit here. We're going to go over this in two sections just due to the length of the video time. So right here, we went ahead and took out all the old gravel. We put down our signature ground cover, and we got our 3-inch, quarter-inch gravel from River Bend here. As you can tell with that, we compacted it for the customers so they can park their toys on it or anything like that. Got it all leveled. As you go in the backyard, if you remember, the backyard was fully grass. Now if you come back here and look, we've actually graveled this in here for the customers. We also have added these autumn gold flagstones that we purchased from Highway Fuel. Really nice stones, real easy to walk on. Really adds character to the house for the customer. If you remember right, we had the roses here already before, but we went ahead and actually added two. We have one right here and one right here, and we just added some more lava rock. We also put our signature edging in all the way around. As you can tell, it's a whole brand new lawn that we put in here. That's why I'm not walking out there, folks, because we don't want to walk in the lawn. It was just put in last night. So we have this put in here. This is our fescue grass, our RTF that we actually get from Kinsey Turf here locally as well. Coming over here, you can see we have a spacer that separates this area. This was obviously compacted as well. This is going to be for a shed that's going to go on there that the customers are going to get that later on. Over here in the back, we have, remember that ugly rock pile we had? We got rid of all that, put down our ground cover all the way around. We've actually put in our certified playground cedar chips here, and we've also planted our arborvitaes. Okay? Those were provided for us through a wholesale nursery in Silverton, Oregon. Now, as you know, I'm a big supporter of Gentner's Gardens, and that's where we went ahead and got all of our trees here. We have one of our trees right here. We have our coral bark down there and another tree down there as well. So let's go ahead and just walk this way now. We're going to take a look at the side of the house where we put in our cedar raised beds. As you can see, for the different texture, we went ahead and had cedar chips put all the way around here as well. And then moving on over here, see the beautiful sod that we have finished putting in. We actually made some cedar raised beds for the customers. This was all grass. We took that out, put down our ground cover, put down our rock, compacted it. We built these cedar raised beds on site. This time we actually didn't go through Kilmore's to get these boards. They didn't have any, so we went to Home Depot, got their grade A quality cedar boards there. We used our signature soil compost mix that we actually got from Gentner's Gardens as well. That works great for the flower beds, so we built them, or the cedar raised beds, excuse me, built them 1, 2, 3, and 4. So as you can tell, it's a huge transformation here in the backyard. Okay, let's go look at the front.